English language learning. Fun with outdoor activities. Hello learners. Today, we're going to focus on a refreshing topic, outdoor activities. What do you usually do on your weekends and holidays? Many people love to enjoy the beauty of nature and engage in various outdoor activities during their leisure time. In this video, we're going to learn about common outdoor activities in English. So, let's dive in. First, let's explore some of the most common outdoor activities that you might engage in during weekends and holidays. Hiking. Hiking is a long, vigorous walk, usually on trails in the countryside. Cycling. Cycling involves riding a bicycle for exercise or leisure. Fishing. Fishing is the activity of trying to catch fish, usually for relaxation. Picnicking. Picnicking is an act of eating outdoors, typically in a scenic location. Swimming. Swimming is the action of propelling oneself through water using the limbs. Camping. Camping involves living temporarily in a camp, tent, or camper, typically for recreation. Gardening. Gardening is the practice of growing and cultivating plants as part of horticulture. Remember, you can use these words to talk about your favorite outdoor activities. Now, let's learn some ways you can describe your outdoor activities. You can tell about what you did, where you did it, who you were with, and how it made you feel. Here are some examples. Last weekend, I went hiking in the mountains with my friends. The view from the top was breathtaking. I love cycling in the park near my house. It keeps me fit and healthy. My family and I enjoy picnicking by the lake. It's always so peaceful and relaxing. It's also important to know how to ask about and discuss these activities. Here are some examples. Do you enjoy fishing? Where do you usually go fishing? Have you ever tried camping? What was your experience like? What do you like about gardening? What kind of plants do you grow in your garden? Remember to use these sentences and phrases while talking about outdoor activities. It will make your conversation more interesting and interactive. Well, that's it for today, learners. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to discuss common outdoor activities in English. Remember, practice is key, so try to use these new words and phrases in your daily conversation. You can even comment below about your favorite outdoor activities. Let's make learning English fun and engaging. See you in our next video.